What is up, guys? It's me, the Awesome YouTuber, and today I'm gonna be in RoR, and the bus I'm going to be using is a 2016 BBV. Now, I know that GPS, GCPS, whatever it's called, came out with this bus that had a bunch of it didn't have a black top on it, and it was like a whole bus pack, but the pack I have only has 2 buses, and they both have black tops. So if you would like to check out these awesome buses, then make sure you go and head to forum.allegaming.net, I'm pretty sure it's .net, which I'll put in the description, and you guys can check it out for yourself. In the meantime, I will... There. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna do strobe because I like it. Is it even on? Yes. Here, guys, I'll actually... Oh, where's my mouse? Okay. Okay, there you go. Do. Nice bus, guys. Nice bus. I've always wanted to ride these. I have to readjust my pedals. Readjust everything. Here's my seat. For some reason I always have to readjust stuff. Something wrong with it. I keep like lowering my seat for some reason. I'll lower it, and then I'll have to make it higher because I lowered it. This lollipop is delicious. The bus has a parking brake, like a brake sound like that. I always say it has a lot of emotion. It's like a get out of here kind of calm, like that. recording someone had to go during the video. It's one of those things where it's hard to start the video without someone. And I hope the other people that record think that too. Like I hope they don't, like if I'm not there, I hope they don't record. Love that finger. Guys, you know, this RoR game has really been changed. It was called Rigs of Rods for a reason, and apparently that reason's been changed. Rigs of Rods, so pretty much like big rigs. And rods, I'm thinking it means loads, like some big trucks and big trailers. Then it changed to cars, so you know, cars could be there. And then it was buses. People made buses. They thought, you know, why not put it in this game? So now it's a game where pretty much everyone builds buses. So, except me, I'm not in that business. I just drive buses. I can say beta test. Oh my gosh, I'm wicked out there. Yeah, good I am, guys. Hey. Break. We're gonna get these people back here somewhere. This is really handicap go, but since the handicap aren't here right now, they actually gave the handicapped people a break. Like the kids. School's just being nice. Okay, kids, just get off. Or get on. It's kind of hard to do the lights now since I have a wheel. And the reason I say that is because why can't I just need a plain flat table. Like this table bends so my keyboard likes to move on it a lot. I just need a flat table. I'm just gonna put my chair up a bit. Can you do dust it? Okay, I have my good little area right here. If I can scoot in just a little bit. Good, okay, perfect. Good FPS. I just love that startup sound. Just be in love with that. No, I can. police are out here, but they're not. I remember back when I had my company, I had some police officers, but we never actually did an official thing. I just did my driver's test. These blinkers keep turning off. Now this is confusing right here. If you be a new driver in Nicotero, you would not know what to do here. Just because you can only turn this way. Solid light, which is good. It's not like that. I used to be good at this. It'd be a good time to say, hey. You just go like this low on these speed bumps. Like this low to actually get it right. can always put your parking brake on. Beatles for the win. I don't know if he means like the Beatles, like the band, the old band, the Beatles. I don't know what he means. Let's go over that hill right there. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what they're chatting about. Guys, I'm not going right up on this curb because I don't want to get my crossing gate cut off by a car. So, plus they shouldn't be coming this way anyway because crossing gate's out. And like when my crossing gate's out, it's pretty much official that, I mean, I'm stopped and you can't pass me. Well, my one last stop up here, and it's going to be a long stop. I just want to turn that way. Actually, not my stop. Oh, yeah, I don't have stops up here. A little bit, the blinker turns off. Drop it from someone else's game, get lag. Of course. That's always what happens. remember, right when it came out, I got it. Yeah, I was one of the 10th people who got it, or even the 5th, because I kept refreshing my webpage on LA Gaming. I was like, I am ready to get this bus pack. And then they just decided to, well, take it off. So, and they replaced it with this one. So let's try to back in. I have a thing to back me in. What I do, I get one of the easiest parking spots I can get. Like kind of parking it a little bit. And then just get my camera out. And boom. What did I do? Yeah, they're pretty good, guys. I know how to fix this. Hey guys, well, I hope you enjoyed. Hey guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. What's I gonna say? Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Please be sure to smack your